You ready, Mama? Okay. Off we go. Let's go, Seth. Pluto, you're coming along? Good. Wait. So here we go out on a walk. Pluto's joining me for Savannah's walk. And it's gonna be a quick little video of, I don't know what it's like to go walking with a kid. You know, I don't. That's very true. I don't have my own kids, but I'll tell you one thing. Walking with Savannah and having to tell my dog, who doesn't walk at Savannah's pace, and he doesn't go this slow, to walk this slow, pay attention, while Savannah does her thing. Yeah, it's not the easiest, I'll be honest. It's not. And I train dogs to walk with kids all day. You know, I train dogs to be able to walk at their pace and pay attention on the walk the whole time. And so, you know, we're just out for a quick cruise. And we're gonna wait for Savannah to do what she wants. Pluto, sit. So we'll pair in his obedience. And whenever Savannah's done doing whatever Savannah wants to do, Pluto's sitting and shivering in a shake because Savannah's taking her time to pee and sniff. Off we go? Okay. Excuse you, Pluto, close. Oh. I don't want to go that far of a walk, sweetheart. This way. Yes, ma'am. And Savannah wins. And so across the street we go. So here we go. Savannah's going to take her time to do what Savannah likes to do. And so Pluto's going to tag along and practice his obedience. Pluto, sit. Stay. Nope, well, I guess we're off now. Let's go. When you tell a dog that walks 25 miles an hour to cruise with Savannah, sit, stay. It's a long process. It's going to turn into a very long walk for me. Because Savannah won, and we're going to go the route that she wants to go. And she's going to get to do all the things that she wants to do. And Pluto's going to tag along and sit and behave. I had to give Pluto a little pop there because he's wanting to be a little bit more than he needs to be. And it's true, because Savannah's taking her time. Pluto and I would have already been around the block by now. And by the block, I'm talking about the block we're going towards. Pluto and I would have already been all the way around it. That's Pluto things, not Savannah things. This is a walk with Savannah. Go. We ain't got time to train our dogs on a walk with the kids. I'm out to have a good walk. I'm out to have a good time. I need to focus my dog's energy, and I need to make my dog think. So we're working on Pluto sit and stay, as Savannah does what she wants. So really, I only had 10 minutes to kind of do this. It's going to take us like 20 minutes now. That's fine. You can go eliminate, dude. Go potty. Eliminate. Focus him. Make him go pee on command versus letting him pee whenever he feels like it. Savannah waited for us. Thank you, Seth, for waiting for us. I appreciate you. I'm gonna have to pay a little bit more attention right now because we're gonna pass by a neighbor. Close, Pops. Pluto. I think Sav might be pooping, so I'm gonna have to pause here anyways. Y'all like to tell me I don't know what it's like to go for a walk with kids and a dog. This is Savannah out for her walk, and Pluto joining us. Come on, Sav, don't bother nobody. Easy, Pops. Pluto, sit. Stay. Good girl, Sav. Leave it. Good boy, Pluto. Come on, Sav. Good girl. Sit. Okay, Sav. Can we keep walking? We can? Okay. Now that, folks, is how you park your car at night. Wow. I kind of got to measure this one. I normally leave people alone, but Sav, hold on, Mums. Pluto, sit. Stay. This is 1, 2, hold on, 2 2 2/3 of my feet away from the curb. That's a good parking job, folks. Let's go, Pops. Hey, easy. Let's go, Sav. Tell you one thing, they ain't curbing their wheels. Sit, Pops. I'm waiting on Sav. This is more valuable for Pluto, making him walk at my pace, sit and stay, keep him focused on sitting and staying, focus in his brain. This is more important than anything else right now. Well, Sav's actually the most important thing in the world right now, but as always. But Pluto practicing his obedience. Savannah, we're not going that way. No. Let's go. So Sav's trying to pick another block to go around, but we're not going to do it. Okay? It's teaching my dog to walk at my pace, or at the pace of Savannah. Sav, no, we're not going that way. Thank you. Okay. We're going to cruise, and Savannah's going to pick on these boxers. And Pluto's going to do a nice little ignore of it. Leave it, Pops. So Sav runs ahead and runs off. My dog has to practice walking next to me. I get a little pop there because he's not walking next to me. See what you did? Practice a little backing up Pluto because he's giving me issues with walking next to me. So we'll back up, dude. Good. No Savannah peas for the 15th time, 30th time. I don't know. I might have to go back in the video and actually count because, oh my gosh. We stop, he sits, he stays. Sav, where are we going? Do you want to cross that way? You can cross. Cross. No? We're not crossing? No? Okay. Like we're on Savannah's time, everybody. So Savannah right now being a simulation of if I were out for a walk with a kid, doing their thing, enjoying their walk, picking up bugs, sniffing stuff, whatever, exploring. And Pluto's having to practice patience and being polite. This is massive. This is massive for dogs. Okay? People tell me I don't know what it's like to walk with kids. Believe me, I do it. I do it all the time. I just never get to record training lessons where I'm working with kids and dogs. Come on, Seth. And you go, yeah, but that's what you do for a living. That's what you do all day. I don't walk my personal dogs all day. I don't get to train my personal dogs all day. Pluto, easy. Back up. Good dog. Sit. Sav, don't touch that. Thank you. Ooh, there is a squirrel in that tree, Pops. I might have to actually change my plan just a smidge on this walk, but y'all get the idea. This is by no means at all Pluto's pace of a walk. This is Savannah's pace. I'm blessed with a dog like her that makes me slow my life down. But Pluto. Ooh, you see birds up on the power line. There they go. Do you see the squirrel yet? Watch.